First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer contacts from iPhone to OnePlus, run the software. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Here, you need to unlock your iPhone to let the software scan text messages on your iPhone. After successfully connecting, link your OnePlus phone to the same computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize it. Once connected, tick off the Contacts option, then click the Start Copy button. All the contacts will be transferred from your iPhone to your OnePlus phone. It will take some time, please be patient. Once finished, click OK.